Gino's snail bubblegum will get birds for trying hard, even though he didn't finish.
Children, they sure look alive. Look, Ellie, here's one for you to race next year. She has a shooting star on her side. Beautiful. I'm going to call her Shooting Star. But thanks, Gopher. I bet she wins next year. And here's Mark Baloney. Who cares if he's a centipede? He likes living in my garden. And he can use his old snail shell as a house when he wants. And he likes it. Great. Now let's make them some lettuce and spinach smoothies and whip. Great idea! Yeah! Joe Fresh, that busy cat will be right back. Hugo! Our monsters, Leo. No. They're right actually there. No. Monsters aren't real because if they would be, then I would see them outside on the floor. Monsters are not real because you cannot see them. Monsters are not real because some kids don't have doors to their closets. Monsters aren't real.
Free death report. Why struggle with death? No matter what.